Booking a Chery service is quick and effortless. Just a few taps on the Chery app or website and you're sorted. No need to stop your day. When your Chery is in for a service, we got a courtesy vehicle ready for you. Whether you're planning a holiday or just want peace of mind, book a free safety check with Chery anytime you need it. Our pricing is standardized across the country and published online, so that with Chery, you know exactly what parts cost. After every service, you receive a follow-up call because your feedback helps us keep improving. Stuck on the road? Don't stress. Chery's 24-hour roadside assistance has your back. Fast, friendly, and reliable. Want more peace of mind? Extend your Chery's warranty, upgrade your service plan, or explore insurance options, all easily available online. With Chery Care, you can enjoy a range of extra services like my taxi, my drive home, my service, and my courtesy car, all absolutely free because Chery cares. From your first service booking to the last kilometer, Chery makes every part of ownership feel effortless.